Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss rational numbers. In that we are going to see that exercise problems, exercise 1A. Okay, now if you look at the fourth one, for each pair of rational numbers, verify the commutative property. So here the commutative property of rational number under addition, it is nothing but when you have two numbers. In case, for example, if you consider A and B, it is a rational numbers. So you can write like this. Here it has to be satisfy this condition. A plus B, it should be equal to B plus A. When you take the reverse sum, it should be equal to the sum of two numbers. Here I can consider the first main minus 8 by 7, 5 divided by 14. Okay, now here first I am going to add the first two terms. This implies minus 8 divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 14. It should be equal to 5 by 14 plus minus 8 divided by 7. If both it is equal means here the commutative property it is going to be satisfied under addition. Now just I am going to simplify the terms now. Here the LCM of 7 and 14 it is 14. So I can multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Here the first term and as well as here also. The second term I need to multiply into 2. Both numerator and denominator, because the LCM of 14 and as well as for the 7 the LCM it is 14. So when you simplify here, we are going to get the answer as 8 2s are minus 16 divided by 7 2s are 14 plus 5 divided by 14 is equal to 5 by 14 plus into minus it will be minus 8 2s are 16 divided by 7 2s are 14. So here we will get the denominator is same, so I can write only once 14 and minus 16 plus 5 is equal to, here in the right side the denominator is same 14, just I need to simplify the numerator 5 minus 16. So minus 16 plus 5 the value it is minus 9 divided by 14 is equal to, here 5 minus 16 it is minus 9 divided by 14. So here right hand side and the left hand side both it is equal. LHS it is going to be equal to the RHS. Therefore this verifies commutative property of addition of rational numbers. Okay, now we will see the next one. Here the sixth one we have minus 2 and 3 divided by minus 5. Here we need to show that minus 2 plus 3 divided by minus 5 it should be equal to minus 3 by 5 minus 2, because here this a negative sign you can shift to the numerator, so that here you can write, or we can write it as minus 3 by 5 also. So here just I am going to change here this a negative sign, I am going to shift to the minus 2 plus a minus 3 divided by 5. If there is no denominator you can consider it as 1 is equal to minus 3 divided by 5, and here it is a minus 2 divided by 1 denominator. So here the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. So here the LCM we got, here it is 5. For 1 and 5 the value it is going to be 5. So I can multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 to get the denominator as 5. So here also 5 and 5. Further if you simplify these terms, minus 2 into 5 it is minus 10 divided by 1 into 5 it is 5 plus into minus minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to minus 3 by 5 minus 5 2s are 10 divided by 1 5 is 5. Denominator is same, just we need to simplify numerators. Minus 10 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 10 divided by 5. So if you simplify further, minus 10 and minus 3 the value, here you will get minus 13 divided by 5 is equal to minus 13 divided by 5. It is a improper fraction, you can convert into mixed fraction. So here you will get minus 2 5s are 10, remainder it is 3 by 5, and here also you will get minus 2 3 by 5. This verifies the commutative property. The commutative property for the addition of rational numbers. For the addition of rational numbers. Okay, now if you look at this, for each set of the rational numbers given below, verify the associative. So associative property means you have to consider the three terms addition of rational numbers. So here you need to show that for associative property they have given the three rational numbers. Here the numbers are, the first one 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. So we have three numbers, right? Just we need to write in the form of associative property. So I can write here 1 by 2 plus open bracket 2 by 3 plus minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 6. So we have to simplify this left hand side and the right hand side. Both the answer it should be equal to each other. When it is equal means then the associative property is satisfied. Just I am going to simplify here. This implies 1 by 2 plus, first you have to simplify these two terms. The LCM of 3 and 6 it is 6. So to get 6 we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So I am going to get here 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus into minus, here you will get minus 1 divided by 6 equal to, here we need to simplify these two terms. When you simplify here 2 and 3, the LCM it is going to be 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So here to get 6 I need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 for the first term and 2 for the second term. So when you multiply here 1 3s are 3 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus into minus it will be minus 1 divided by 6. Okay, now here further if you simplify 1 divided by 2 plus denominator is same, I can write only 1, 6, 4 minus 1 is equal to, denominator is 6, 3 plus 4 and here we have minus 1 divided by 6. 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 1 it is 3 divided by 6 you will get, and here 3 plus 4 it is 7 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6 in the right hand side. Further if you simplify here the LCM of 2 and 6 it is 6. So I need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 into 3. So here we are going to get the answer as 1 3s are 3 divided by 2 3s are 6 plus 3 divided by 6, and here denominator is same, you can write only once, 6 7 minus 1. So if you add in the right hand side, here you will get 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 minus 1 it is 6 divided by 6. So here also if you add 3 plus 3 it is 6 divided by 6, and here also it is 6 divided by 6. If you cancel these terms both numerator and denominator you will get a 1, and here also it will be 1. Therefore you got that answer is 1 is equal to 1. Here the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Therefore you can write the terms 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 bracket a minus 1 by 6. This verifies associative associative property of the addition of rational numbers, Okay, that fourth one we have here, -1, 5/6 and -2/3. Just we have to simplify these two terms. Just we need to simplify this. Just we need to verify the associative property of addition of rational numbers. So first we have to write in the form of associative. Show that -1 plus 5/6 plus -2/3 equal to -1 plus 5/6 plus -2/3. We have to simplify this and you need to show LHS is equal to RHS. So let it be here a -1 plus here the LCM for 6 and 3 it is 6. So both numerator and denominator you need to play with 2 to get the denominator as 6. So I can write here 5/6 plus into minus it is minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6 is equal to, if there is no denominator you can consider it as 1 as a denominator. So here for 1 and 6 the LCM it is going to be 6. Both numerator and denominator I need to multiply by 6 to get the denominators equal. So here 1 into 6 it is 6. We have minus, so I will write here minus 6 divided by 6 plus 5/6 plus into minus minus 2/3. So here -1 plus denominator is same, I can write only once, 5 minus 4 is equal to, here we have -6 plus 5 divided by 6 minus 2/3. So here -1 plus 5 minus 4 it is 1 divided by 6 is equal to -6 plus 5 it is -1 divided by 6 minus 2/3. So if there is no denominator you can consider the denominator as 1, but here we have 6 as a denominator, so here also you need to multiply with 6 both numerator and denominator. When it comes to the right hand side, the LCM of 6 and 3 it is 6. So both numerator and denominator you need to multiply by 2 so that you will get the denominator as 6. Now if you simplify further, -1 into 6 it is a -6 divided by 6 plus 1/6 is equal to -1 divided by 6 minus 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 you will get. Okay, now here the denominators is same, I can write only once. So -6 plus 1 is equal to, here also the denominator is 6 but we have -1 minus 4. -1 plus 6 the value here you will get it as -5. -5 divided by 6, and if you add here -1 and -4 you will get it as -5 divided by 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore -1 plus 5 divided by 6 minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to -1 plus 5/6 minus 2/3. This verifies associative property of the addition of rational numbers.